incorporating HTS in our customer machines right now. Okay, so Harris CapRock offers a broad range of robust but highly flexible communication solutions for the energy sector. Fit for purpose for a highly demanding, extremely challenging environment where mobility, flexibility, but most importantly robustness are required. So solutions and products that offer extremely high levels of site availability, performance, geographical mobility, and worldwide coverage and support. But also extremely important, all that is offered with a worldwide service and support model with basically, we are wherever the customer is. So we're able to offer local touch, local support, but with global scale, global performance, and global resilience. So one of the characteristics of the energy market is the fact that the drilling operation itself is a high risk, high tempo, high cost operation. And generally also extremely reliant on the communications itself to optimize the efficiency of the drilling operation. In fact, in some cases it may be if communications is unavailable, the drilling operation must cease. That leads to real focus on uptime, in particular uptime. So it drives a sense of the reliability of the link is utmost in mind. So one of the characteristics then of the energy marketplace is actually keeping the link alive. So that leads towards thinking about how's the equipment designed, hot standby equipment, multiple paths, multiple transports, the remote support model, 24/7 help desk, and local teams of skilled and staff individuals who are able to respond directly and rapidly should there be an issue that requires manual intervention. So I'd say that's the key thing that characterizes the difference, is the focus on uptime. So I think we'll see a lot of the aspects that are true today as being true in the future, such as it must be reliable, it must be trustworthy, it must be of the utmost quality, it must be available consistently worldwide. However, one of the big trends in the industry is the adoption of cloud-like techniques for the delivery of applications, the storage of data, and what that implies is the infrastructure must become much more nimble, much more flexible. So more of a bandwidth on demand type provisioning model. And a customer will expect and demand that behavior that is readily available in the terrestrial world will be available in their remote, distant location, regardless of where they are around the world. So I think one of the key technical changes that we will see, and one of the key challenges, is the service companies needing to adopt towards a cloud-like behavior of their infrastructure with technologies and processes behind that to make that real and make that viable. Yes, we're incorporating HTS in our customer solutions right now where the need demands it. It's certainly not routine today. But as HTS satellites deploy in the future, we'll see the benefits of HTS as being something that's very beneficial for our customers. So again, the ability to provide high performance, high availability solutions, HTS is beneficial for that. But also as a means of providing more, a dynamic bandwidth allocation, and also support smaller, more flexible hardware platforms. So from those perspectives, we do see this as being fundamental in our solution going forward. And a lot of our activity in terms of developing new technologies and services are designed with HTS in mind. So a real great example of the adoption of HTS is our Harris CapRock One service, which is designed not only to support classic GEO, such as standard C-band, standard KU band, but also the future and upcoming bands such as HTS KU and HTS KA.